Hello everyone, welcome to Sunrain channel. I'm Max from Sunrain, who is responsible for the heat pump export. Today, I will give a brief introduction of our company. Sunrain is one of the biggest air source heat pump manufacturer in China. Today, we are mainly working on the space heating heat pump, commercial hot water heat pump, domestic hot water all-in-one heat pump, and swimming pool heat pump. Now, our company have two factories. One factory is located in here, Foshan Shunde, Guangdong Province. Another air source heat pump factory is located in Jiangsu Province. Today, let's go to visit the Shunde factory. Let's go. And first, do you think what is the most important part in the heat pump? In my opinion, I think the electric part is playing an important role in the heat pump. Today, let's go to the electric part workshop at first. And you can see we have two workshops, two produce line workshop for all our heat pump. You can see. This electric pod is mainly for the space heating heat pump, and this electric pod is for the commercial hot water heat pump. Okay, let's go to the next produce line. This is our spare parts warehouse. It is mainly worked for our domestic heat pump produce line. So let's go to the domestic heat pump produce line. In this workshop, we have one produce line. It's a circular produce line. This produce line is mainly for the domestic heat pump, like a mini pool heat pump, domestic mini pool heat pump, like this. You can see this is the half-ton product. This is the mini pool heat pump. This is the produce line. Let's go from the starting. This is the beginning of our mini pool heat pump produce line. And first, we will install the compressor, the evaporator, and welding them. After that, we will vacuum the unit. And next, we will charge the gas in the unit. And one of the most important is the check the gas leakage. This is, in this testing room, we will check the gas leakage in the unit. After that, we will install the electrical part in the heat pump. After all installation, one of the most important things is to testing the units, the actually operation test. Here are our testing room. Here is our testing room. In this test room, we will have an operation test. That means every unit will have a test before loading. We have a performance test. This testing will guarantee our units will work well in our customers. Okay, let's go through. After the testing, the next step is packaging. Okay, it's not working. On our third floor, this is mainly for the domestic heat pump. Now let's go to the second floor. The second floor is mainly for the commercial heat pump. Now let's go to the second floor. On second floor, we have two production lines. This is mainly for the commercial hot water. They are just installing the commercial heat pump. This heat pump, in this workshop, we can produce around 200 heat pump units in a day. At first, they will put the coils on the produce line. And then put the compressor, evaporate, heat exchanger, and so on. Same as the last produce line, every unit will have to process vacuum the unit. This machine is working for the vacuum the unit, and then they will charge the gas. The gas is the gas. This room is for test the gas leakage. Use this machine, this unit. This unit is working for check the gas leakage. After all, they will install the fan and the electric part, and the next we will have also the operation test. In this test process, we will, after the operation, we will test the parameters under this display. Every unit will have this test before loading. After this after the testing process, pack we will have pack the heat pump. Like this. In front of this is a packing area. The third floor is for the domestic hot water heat pump, and the second floor is for the commercial heat pump unit. The first floor, the workshop, is mainly for the domestic all-in-one heat pump and the water tank. So yeah, they are installing the electric part. Here are the rest area. Our worker will have 15 minutes rest after in the morning and the afternoon. So let's go to the domestic hot water all-in-one heat pump production line and the water tank production line. These units are mainly for the China market. Okay. This is the all-in-one heat pump produce line. This is mostly for the China market. The water tank. They will circulate the cool ball line in the water tank. Except the all-in-one water heat pump produce line, we can also produce the mantle cabinet. This mantle are all will be designed for all our heat pump. Let's see, this is for the all-in-one heat pump cabinet cover. This produce line will produce around 400 pieces in a day. This is basically our end of production line. And next, I want to introduce you our national laboratory. As you may know, the laboratory is always playing a crucial part in the developing of our products. Today, let's see how it works in our laboratory. This is our national laboratory, and in our laboratory have 4 test rooms. The 4 test room is 2 test room is mainly for the commercial heat pump unit. The other 2 test room is mainly for the domestic heat pump. The test condition of our laboratory is from minus 13 degree to 15.2 degree. This testing room is actually doing the testing. This is the temperature is around minus 20. With this low temperature, so our heat pump can working very well on the North European like Sweden and Finland. This room is also doing a testing commercial heat pump. This control room of our laboratory. You can see here. here we can this two test room. This two test room is mainly for the domestic heat pump. It's on the testing. Okay. After all, let's go to the loading platform of our factory. This is the testing units for our R&D department. You can see a lot of trees and flowers in our factory. This is because our factory is designed as a garden factory. This to let every colleague of our company can feel comfortable in our factory. You can see, this is the banana trees, and a small pond. Our some colleagues even fish on the small pond. It's kind of interesting. This is the loading platform of our factory. Our factory, every heat pump units will go from this platform. But someone will say this is the end of our job. If the heat pump leave, then our job is done. No, I don't think so. I think when the heat pump leave from our factory, it is just our beginning of our service. I hope we will still keep providing the best service to our global customers. Thank you for watching. If you have any interest, please leave your comments on below or contact our colleague. Thank you very much.